Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body during an MRI scan? This giant machine can see your bones, your muscles, even your brain in action, without touching you at all. Let's dive inside. MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging. Basically, it's a super advanced camera for your body. It uses magnets and radio waves to take ultra-detailed pictures of your insides, safely and without any radiation. Doctors use it to spot everything from tiny tears in muscles to brain injuries or tumors. Sounds cool, right? Step 1. Getting ready. First, you change into a hospital gown and remove all metal, watches, jewelry, even your hairpins. Why? Because MRI uses strong magnets, and metal doesn't mix well with them. Step 2. Lying on the table next, you lie down on the sliding table. It might feel like lying on a spaceship bed, but comfy enough. Step 3. Entering the machine. The table slowly slides into the MRI tube. You're now inside a big magnetic tunnel. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. Step 4. Listening to the sounds. Do you hear that loud thumping and banging? That's not a robot party. It's the machine taking pictures layer by layer. Step 5. How images are taken. As you stay still, the MRI creates images by detecting signals from your body's tiny particles called protons. Let's see how that works. Your body is mostly water. Every water molecule has protons, tiny magnetic particles. When you're inside the MRI, the magnets align these protons and radio waves make them sing. The machine listens to the echoes of these signals and builds a detailed 3D picture of your organs, muscles, and even your brain. MRIs can detect brain injuries, tumors, or even small muscle tears that X-rays can't see. No radiation, just magnets. Your brain can even be scanned while it's working. Doctors can literally watch your brain in action. Amazing, isn't it? Next time you see an MRI machine, remember, it's like a super-powered camera for your body, seeing what's hidden from the naked eye. If you enjoyed this inside look, hit like and subscribe for more 3D science made simple videos. You don't want to miss what we explore next.